So we're starting our trial in few minutes. Top of Innsbruck. Bro, this looks surreal. Fucking hell. See? Let's go. Let's go. It's English, right, in Ireland?
Yeah. We have Irish language too.
Oh, what is it?
It's like a Celtic language. It's like completely different English.
Okay.
It's like very British.
Oh. Is this the way to Huts?
Pfeishütte, yeah.
Yeah. But we thought we lost.
3 hours.
Oh, is it hard? Scary?
Medium?
Is it scary?
A bit like this.
Okay, okay. There are Kauravas.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 100 guys and 5 guys.
Yeah. So there's like and then Arjun.
Oh god. I confused with I forgot. Arjuna, Bhima. Yeah, bro, you know better than me. I recently read though.
You should read that one version because it's not like the traditional text. It's like fictionalized. It's like a story.
Yeah. Yeah.
But Buddha was a Brahmin. Right?
No, he's a warrior.
Okay.
And Mahavira of Jaina, he's also a, you know what, Kshatriya. Yeah, because they have leisure and they have time to think.
Yeah, exactly. They have education. They have their own like gurus.
Yeah.
teachers, and everything.
And everyone else can't have. In Hyderabad, they mostly speak Hindi and Telugu. Yeah, I can see. I can have a understanding. I can understand Hindi. Coexistence. Very decent. Another mountain or this mountain only?
Did you drive yourself? Yeah, no. Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if it like goes off the cliff.
But they never make mistakes.
Have you ever been to Kashmir?
I want to go.
I want to go.
It's the beautiful place in the India.
Yeah, I really want to go.